Well, we are about to start our expedition. It apparently only has a 1 minute queue, which will be perfect for re-rides. So, really excited to go and ride this Intamin megacoaster. Hi, I'm Paul and welcome to my crib. Oh. Well, had two rides on Expedition GeForce, currently waiting for the back row for our third, and it's been a really interesting morning so far. Some very odd things have been happening. So first of all, we'll talk about the ride, which is fantastic. It does everything that it's sort of advertised to do. Some great airtime, an incredible head chopper halfway through, some really nice S-bends and some sort of forceful turns as well. However, something very odd happened on our first ride, which is we were queuing up. There was a queue of probably around 100 people behind us. We went on the ride, and then when we came back, the entire queue had gone. They just vanished like ghosts. And we are so confused, it's slightly broken our heads a little bit.
I mean, it is technically scare season, but
so they may have been actual ghosts. So let me know in the comments, do Holiday Park have ghosts that just join queues and disappear? Because we're both just... Anyway, we're gonna go for the back row now. Wanna come and join me? Holiday Park doing a bit of a Merlin with all their shipping containers. And here you can see all the various awards that Expedition GeForce has won over the years. The last one sadly was 2014, so it's been 10 years since it got recognised. Of course the coaster world has moved on dramatically since then, but a very decorated coaster. Unfortunately, the decorations are on the side of a shipping container. I mean, you could sell your headline coaster a little bit better, Holiday Park, if you wanted to. Well, it's been a morning of taking expeditions to GeForce. And it's been a good roller coaster. I think at the back there, the airtime was very fierce. Fierce to the point where it was actually a little uncomfortable on the thighs, I would say. And as much as I enjoyed it, I don't think I could keep lapping the back row. But we'll probably go back and do a few more rides later on, especially after that weird ghost queue incident earlier, which has rendered the line fairly quiet. Well, concluded the day with two more rides on Expedition GeForce, one at the front, 1 second from back. They also got an engineer having a look at what is that clanking sound on the lift hill. What's happening to the lift hill? It's clanking. It has definitely warmed up though. Certainly the front row ride felt much quicker than it did in the front earlier. There's so much airtime on there. The S-bend is really cool. Some crazy head choppers as you come underneath the support structure. It's a really good roller coaster. It is showing some signs of age. It's showing signs of a ride that's probably run through all season, and it's now starting to generate a little bit of a rattle. I imagine then wheels will get changed in the off season, but on the whole, a great coaster. You can see why it's so well revered, why it's won the awards. It's just that obviously technology's moved on and now it feels a little bit stuck in the past, but that's not a bad thing. We still need the classics.